Hi, this is Dr. TF, and now we'll see something on what is type aliasing in Swift. Okay, so what is type aliasing is you can try to provide a new name for an existing data type. Okay, just say for example you can put a name of book for a dictionary data type. You can put a name of bottle for a integer data type, something like that, so that it try kinds of makes the data type more understandable for a particular context. Okay, nothing more than that. Okay, without further ado, we'll just go ahead with what type aliasing it. For in simple words, we are trying to put a new name for a data type. We are not going to declare a variable as integer when we don't want to declare a variable name as integer. We'll just declare a variable name as number, number, and we'll just alias as type alias as integer. Okay, so simple as that. What we'll do here is here my idea is I'm going to type alias a name to a variable data type called as yes. I'll just assign the name which is supposed to be a string as just yes, and I'm going to alias it to type alias. Okay, I'll just without further confusion, I'll try to go ahead with this program so you'll understand it. Okay, suppose I want to declare a variable name. Okay, I'll just put the string trry. Okay, now we are aware of the fact that name should take a variable type of string which has to be explicitly written. So how we have to write? We have to write something like this. Simple. So this statement tells me that I am declaring a variable called as name. I am initializing to a string called as trry, and it is of string data type. Suppose I want to type alias this string, I have to put a type alias keyword. Okay, so this is the keyword that I have to use when we want to type alias a particular data type here. Okay, I put the word carefully, type aliasing any kinds of data, be it be a simple primitive integer character, or it be a group data type like array, dictionary, or set, or it can be even for some kind of data structures. You can type alias whatever you want to. For simplicity, I'm going to type alias a string data type. Just say for example I'm going to type alias yes for string data types throughout this program. Okay, so I have put strings as yes here. Okay, so once you type alias string as yes, you need not to put string everywhere. You can just put yes here. Got it? So it's enough that you put yes as Terry. So the program or the compiler will understand when a data type is yes, it is alias to string here. Okay, so later on when you want to print, you can print it safely and it is not going to throw you up with any kind of error. Okay, so you can just put it name. Okay, we'll save it. Maybe we'll just put type. Okay, type aliasing is not there in many programming languages like Java or C or general purpose languages. It is predominantly developed for languages like Swift and K language. K it's also used. Alright, so we'll try to select that one and let's run it. Successfully compile. We'll run it. Yeah, it's successfully alias and it's not throwing up any error. Okay, it's not singularly used. We can use it number of times when we want to use it. Okay, there's nothing wrong. So we'll try to put one more variable. We'll put job, and we need not to put it as string. We can just put it as yes, and the compiler is going to understand the value of yes means it's a string. Okay, we'll just put job. Okay, so the name with is a job. Okay, we already opened it. Okay, fine. We'll compile it and we'll run it. Okay, so it's coming Terry is a writer, and it rightly takes the value of name as a string type and job as a string type, because we have a type alias statement written at the top. So using type alias, you can try to rewrite the name of any data type which is not there in many programming languages but is there in Swift. Okay, so I thought it's worthy of a mention in the basic tutorial that I'm trying to mention here. Okay, with this the basic tutorial of Swift gets over. We'll go ahead with the intermediary and the advanced levels later on. Feel free to jump in with any comments that you want to at the bottom of this YouTube channel that you see, and let me know what you think. Okay, see you then. Tata, bye bye.